Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this first day of May 2025, U.S. closed live trading room. So welcome. If you've been with us any period of time, you'll certainly recognize the trade that we're about to take. So we have this nice big red candle. The setup is this. These three candles have failed to close below the R1. The same three candles have failed to close above the trend indicator. So what it works out to is whatever strong candle appears below the R1 or above this black line, we're going to take in that direction. Just so happens this candle right here closed below the R1. As per the Samurai Day Trading indicator, there's a very strong candle. So we're free to go short here after a retrace. It's retraced up very nicely. We're going to start out outside the candle. And if it retraces more, we'll move our order to the body of the candle, and we're going to be going short. Looking at the PVI indicator over here, we expect this next candle to be around 60 ticks in length, 60 to 80 ticks in length. So we'll get our ATM out here. We'll need to change that to 16s, 31s, and 50s. And that's what we're going to go for. So our first target will be 16 ticks. We'll de-risk the trade immediately and see if we can catch our runners going short. Same trade we do every day here at the U.S. closed live trading room for Samurai Day Trading. All right, here we go. We'll go one tick. We're going to sell. We'll start here. If it picks us up without retracing anymore, that's great. That's good enough. Now we can move it to the body of the candle. That's a nice retrace. If it comes back and picks us up, chances are real good we're going to get paid. If it just keeps on running long, then we don't have to worry about it. That's why we wait for the retrace on all of our strong candle trades. All right, first thing we're going to have to do is when we get picked up is move our stop to where it needs to be. So we're going to have about 100 ticks worth of risk here. Maybe 80, 10, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, about 120 ticks worth of risk. So a lot of risk on this one. We are going for 60 tick targets. We do have Fibonacci concerns down around just underneath the green line here. But it's a pretty strong signal. We've broken out from our consolidation over here and a very high probability trade. We'll keep it at regular speed until we get picked up. There we go. All right, again, move our stop to where it needs to be, which is up here. And once our first target gets taken out, you'll see that our stop will come to a break-even position, which will be above where I entered. Make it one more little speed there. Decided to play around a little bit. Having trouble getting started here. Trades of the day are trades taken in the live trading room. This trade was taken by myself and other people in the room. Most other people in the room, I should say. All right. Okay. So what happened there? Very quickly, when the first target got hit, we saw my stop went from way up here all the way down to a break-even position. So we made 16 ticks, one's for fees. So we made 15 clear. Stop goes to minus 14. So even if the market fails here and comes back and takes us out, right now I've only got one contract outstanding. And we're in a sort of a little bit of a brick wall here, but we'll see if we can't push through it. If I do come out and takes me out at minus 14, we've still made money on the trade, and I can decide whether I want to re-enter trade short. So we'll speed it up just a little. I will get another trade ready just in case we do get taken out and I want to re-enter. All right, 60s are out. So that was pretty quick. So we stopped this with it took about 3 minutes, 3 minutes and 15 seconds for that trade to complete. As you can see from our tally sheet right here, that particular trade was worth 605 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make $600 US in a little more than 3 minutes. Come join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. And indicators that are unique to Samurai and are very helpful even for beginner traders. So come and join us. We'll see you at samuraidaytrading.com. God bless you. We'll see you all tomorrow. Take care and have a great day.